Hello, I'm Bianca and welcome to my video. So today I'm going to talk about how to effectively use Twitter lists. So right now I'm on my main page on Twitter. This is my home. To view my Twitter lists, I'll have to click on my profile, then click lists. If you don't know what Twitter lists are used to direct your attention to tweets from users who have the same interests. Instead of looking at your whole Twitter feed, you can have lists that act as a mini feed of only the people you want to see tweets from. It's a great way to separate your feed in terms of business, news, or personal interests. So these are all of my lists. I only currently have 3, so I click on my Paramore list, and these are all of the tweets and the retweets from the members. It's like their own little news feed. I can monitor this directly on Twitter, and it has 5 members, and it's a better way to monitor their tweets instead of finding their tweets one by one on my news feed. So I'll go back to lists. If you don't know how to create a Twitter list, you can just click right here and say, for example, Bianca's list. You can either make it public or private. I'll make it public as of now. And there you go, the list is created. So first, I'll show you how to add people to your Twitter lists. To add people to a list, you must go to their profile first. For example, I want to add another user into my Philippine news list. I would have to go and look for a profile. I have to search a keyword such as Philippine news. And I'll go to people. And for example, I want to add Philippine news update into my Philippine news list. I would just click on the 3 dots and click and select add or remove from my list, and then just check the Philippine news box. And there you go. Philippine news update is part of my Philippine news list. It's the same step to remove a user from my list. For example, let's go back to my Philippine news list and look at the members. So I currently have 9. So looking through the members of my Philippine news list, I see that E-News is there. This is an entertainment channel, so I don't want it here. I just go to their profile, go on the 3 dots, and select add or remove from list. So I just uncheck them. They won't be in my lists anymore. Okay, so let's try another one. So I'll go back to my profile. I'll see my following. So these are the users that I follow. I see my home university's official Twitter account. And let's say I want to create a list of my home university as of the moment. So I'll select the 3 dots and select add or remove from lists. Then I can create a list since I don't have a list of my home university as of the moment. So create list. I'll type Ateneo as this is what this list is about. So I'll make it public and save lists. Then I have to check Ateneo to make Ateneo de Manila Twitter be in my Ateneo list. So there you have it. I have created a list and also added a user into my new list at the same time. So the next thing we want to do is to subscribe to other people's lists. What if you're interested in seeing what lists other people have made? So the first thing we have to do is search on Twitter the keywords such as, maybe I want to see the developers of Twitter and what they think is interesting. So I'll go to the official Twitter account and I can see they have 10 lists. And these are their 10 lists. And I'm most interested in their media list. So these are the tweets from their members. I can easily just subscribe by clicking the subscribe button. And when I go back to my profile and go back to my lists, I see that media by Twitter is already on my Twitter list. So let's try another one. For example, I go to home. I'm interested in seeing what ABS-CBN news channel has made. So currently they have 16 lists. If I click on it, all of their lists show up. And maybe I'll click on Showbiz as this is the most interesting to me. And these are the tweets from their members. It all shows up in one feed. I can easily subscribe by clicking the subscribe button. Then if I go back to my list, Showbiz by ABS-CBN News Channel is already on my list. Then I could easily monitor the tweets from my account directly. So that's how you do it. You find people that is in the field you are interested in, look at their profile to look at their lists, subscribe to their lists, then you'll have it saved in your Twitter list and you can monitor them directly from this list. So that's it. That's how you add people, that's how you remove people from your Twitter lists, that's how you monitor, and that's how you subscribe to other people's Twitter lists. Hope you learned something from this video. Thank you.